I made nectarine syrup today, and so I have leftover nectarine pulp. So I'll be making nectarine powder out of this. And it's really easy. I just take the nectarine pulp and I place it on my dehydrator tray. Usually one batch of syrup will do one tray in the dehydrator. The nice thing about this is I've pulled out the majority of the moisture that goes into here, so it will dry a lot more quickly. And then I just spread my pulp around. I want it to be about equal thickness so that the whole thing gets done at the same time. I really like these silicone trays. I feel like they do a better job than the plastic ones. They make it so much easier to come off later, so I highly recommend them. Now I'll place this in my dehydrator at 135 degrees and let it go for about 10 hours. Now that my nectarine pulp is nice and dry, I break it into segments. I just want to make them small enough to fit in my blender. I do need this to be pretty dry for this though. It can be, still a little bit pliable, but if there's too much moisture in there, then it'll make it so that the powder clumps. And then I'll turn the blender on high and let it continue to go until all the pieces are powderized. And now I just take my powder and I place it in an airtight container. I like using a mason jar just because I have those available. They work well. It's always amazing to me how you start out with so much pulp and end up with just this little bit of powder. But it is perfect for putting into smoothies or adding to oatmeal, any number of things where you would want to add a little bit of flavor and some more nutrition.